Okay, it's 4 different types of the opacity control, which is I'm not going to use this because I don't like the neck with a different color between the J's and T's. So, and shape is a little bit off compared to wax shrine. This is better shape but too dark. Almost there. Like this. Okay. Now we're trying to get the ball rolling. So due to implant side is sticking out facially, unfortunately we have to make this one piece again and then 2 pieces top of this. So we're going to using the monolithic technique on top of this and then solder. Micro layering. We finish them up. Alright. Okay, this one is, we made the 4 different color and shape, which is I'm not happy with one of us set the color. I don't like the neck. After we try in. No, it's not good. So after we try this, due to color is too dark because this is almost mono, so I cannot use it. So now we're testing with the 2 different colors, basically OM1 and OM2, and then now it's happy with the one color. So now it's just let you know, so we start to get more rolling for this case. And you don't want this. This is a little bit light, and I can choose a light one. All right, now tough case is going on. All right, this one is the demonstrate for final how we finish it. We can do so many options with so many different materials. I'm using the Mio and pretty intense color I have to apply in between the tools in order to matching the J's and T's is trying to make natural as possible. Depends on the thickness. I can make the thick, or I can make the light. Depends on the temperature. So first you can create about chroma, the decent chroma. That ones we have to apply together as compared to the other J's and T's. Looks like the makeup all the way up. I'm trying to demonstrate compared to the other side. I don't have to show them everything. What I want to add together is how can we approach the final color. So like you guys know all the time. But I have a more information in Patreon member, which is patreon.com. That ones you can see more detail over there. Okay, so create it inside your 1/3 and blend with dentine. You can add with membrane just a little bit, which is a mamelon. Pumpkin. Just saturate it in between the tools. The order to I know this is too much. But you can decrease the value. Okay. So first, I don't put too heavy. We're trying to modify as decent color, as close as possible. And then I final touch up after first bake. And then I utilize more color in very subtle. Where do I put the intense or not intense? So that one. Alright, that's the basic concept. Okay, this is one of the concept. So just finish these cases. Alright, so we're going down there. That case color. Now is the final case, which is the full implant was really sticking out facially. So after we try in with our wax trying, then you can see one implant we notified with the 4 different implants is sticking out. So what we're going to do, we just make this and doctor. This is monolithic actually. Okay, so I'm using the 3Y from the BND company in Utah. This is more stronger. So we made it almost as mono, as aesthetic as possible the other side. And the problem is this one is a dipping technique, and compared to painting technique is different. So I had a couple bridge before we do it, so I can test with opacity and translucency, and especially value the color. Anyway, so this one is fit was good. You saw that before. So fit good, but we're not going to use this. Okay, so we're using this bridge. So what doctor is going to do? What doctor will going to cement for this? Okay, so we're going to make this with a tie base. And then we're going to cement here so every individual. Cement is really well. It's another tough job. Okay, so basically this one is the sleeve with the 4 implant facially. It's kind of unique, but different. Okay, so here's the implant site. So now we're going to cement for this. And with the final work, just like here, see the lifelike restorations. See the more close look at that. This is the final. It's very unique. We made this nice texture with the tissue color, different differentiations, and we're going to finish soon. Alright, this is now cemented, and the final, after we put the cementation, like I said, all tie-base cement together. So doctor, we're going to put it in this temporary cement. Basically, it's different sleeve for 4 implants. But they can put it in composite. So now we're going to give them this. So our job is done. Alright, cool.